Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. On today's video, I'm going to be showing us how we can create this icon that we see on the screen now using PixelLab. Every effect that we applied on this, we are going to be making use of our BEIZER and then our shape tool for this manipulation. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content. We have dropped more series of video tutorials like this that will help you boost your creativity skills on logo design with PixelLab. So let's proceed for today's tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of all these vectors I have created, okay, and then I'm going to turn on the sketch that I made. Go here and then increase the opacity so that you see clearly the sketch that I did, because before I start vectorization I already made my sketch. So this is my sketch. So when I import your sketch into your screen, the first thing you need to do is to reduce the opacity, right? So after reducing the opacity, you tap on your screen and make sure that your sketch is locked. Then when it is locked, then you tap your screen once, so this menu will come out. So when it come out, so before we pick our BEIZER, first thing we need to do is to go and tap on our grid lines at the top of your screen. You'll see where you have grids, then tap on it, and then all these options will come out. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please do well to check our previous video. We have dropped series of videos tutorial that explains how to make this alignment, these selections with your grid lines. Okay, now we are going to skip this step and then we are going to proceed with the vectorization. So I told us in this video that we are going to be making use of our shape, okay, and then our BEIZER as well. So for this first one, I'm going to select my shape and then expand it to fit into the outer circle that I have there. When I select this, you show that shows the crossing point where the I made a crossing point for this particular sketch at the center of this sketch. So and that's why you have this. Now after this, now I'm going to tap OK, and then I'm going to make a copy. Or before I do that, I'm going to reduce my opacity for this and then make a copy of this. For this one, I'm going to change the color to a black color. Okay, now do that. I'm going to drag it here and then reduce the size to fit into the inner circle that I have. Okay, after doing this, now I'm going to go back and then increase my opacity for the both of the shapes. Okay, and then for this one, I'm going to increase the opacity as well. Then after this, I'm going to go here, tap on this icon, and then select the two images of the circles, and then tap on merge them together, and then I have merged them together as one object. Go to my erase color, and then here I'm going to drag it until it select the color I want to erase. Okay, I'm going to tap OK, and there is another way to do it. Tap on this, place the right number 1, and then you can just pick any color that you want to erase. Okay, pick any color that you want to erase from that. So here I've got this black color, and then I erase it. I'm turn on my tolerance, and then here I'm going to go and pick my color and then select all the color to be one color, which is white, black. And then after this, now I'm going to go to my my mask. Okay, and then here I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to mask one part of the vector out and then leave the other one. So just see what I do now. So after masking this out, now I'm going to check OK. I'm going to tap on my screen, make sure I lock this, then tap on my screen once and pick another shape, which is circle, okay, and reduce it as much and then place it somewhere here, and then I'm going to change the color to black as well. And then here I'm going to go back here and then select this and then merge them together with the small circle. Okay, when I've done this, now after merging them together like this, so I'm going to go and pick my mask, okay, and then I'm going to start masking it out from here. Just watch and see how I do that. Now I'm going to check it on like this. So after this, now I'm going to make sure I lock it, okay, and then tap on my screen once, then pick another circle shape, and then I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, I'm going to reduce it and then place it at the center here, and then I'm going to go back here and then merge them together with the smaller circle as one object. And when I've done that, now I can go ahead and reduce my opacity for this. And after that, I'm going to go back to my mask again for the second time and then turn it in and then start masking it out. So just follow me and see how I achieve this small exercise. When I'm done with this, I'm going to check OK. First of all, I'm going to increase the opacity like this, and then I'm going to make a copy of this as well and then place it here. And this time I'm going to go back to my mask and turn it out, right? So I'm going to check OK. So now I'm going to start applying my color for this. Okay, I'm going to go to my gradient. I think I still have the gradient that I picked here. So I'm going to pick these gradients and then I'm going to drag this one here. So I'm going to tap on my screen once and then select this first one that we actually vectorize, and then tap on my gradient again. Here this time I'm going to rotate and push this one here and place this arc here. Now I'm going to tap on this and then I'm going to tap on the plus icon to add another point of gradient. Here I'm going to place this one here and drag this purely yellow one to this point. So here I'm going to check OK. Let's see how it goes, and then let me just do little adjustment to it. Okay, I think we've got it. So here this is how we achieve this first vector. Now I'm going to tap OK. See what I'm going to do again. I'm going to click here. Okay, I'm going to tap on this first one, make a copy of it, drag it to this point. I'm going to rotate it. Okay, and place it to this point as well. So here I place it here. Then after this, now I'm going to select the second one. Okay, I'm going to select the second one here and then make a copy of it. Okay, I'm going to rotate it and then place it here. So this is how we achieve the first phase of this logo vectorization, and if you can, as you can see, it is very easy. And when you look at it, okay, so after this, now the next thing I need to do is to do apply a little effect that I applied at the center here, which is with a circle shape with a kind of red gradient. So we are going to tap on our shape again, pick our circle shape, drag it and reduce the size. Here I'm going to pick our gradients, and then this is the gradient that I'm going to show you the color code that I use for this gradient. So for the darker gradient, part of the red color, okay, and this is the color code that I used. Okay, that is still okay. So this for this one, and then this is the color code that we use for this. So you can just copy this color code and then click on it and then paste it on your PixelLab, and then that's how you got this gradient. So here, and then I'm going to tap OK, and then we have got our gradient for this circle. So I'm going to expand it. Okay, let me just use my grid line. Okay, and then this is how we achieve this logo vectorization. And then let's just do one more thing. I'm going to select this and then group all these vectors together as one object. Here we have achieved our Rainoil logo vector on PixelLab. So thank you guys for watching, and then if this video helped, please don't forget to share, like, comment and share our video, and let others learn from our content. Thank you, and then see you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.